seen as just game. Esports is now a global phenomenon, a $1 million industry with career, innovation, and community at its core. And guess what? The University Kebangsaan Malaysia is leading the charge.
Located here in Pusandika Building UKM, the UKM eSports Arena was launched in the late 2023 to nurture eSports talent and ignite campus culture.
More than just gaming, it is a dynamic hub for growth, creativity, and community. Without any hesitation, let's hop in and dive into the world of games. Yo, what's up guys? Welcome to the UKM eSports Arena, the one-stop on campus where gaming, show vibes and opportunities all comes together.
Right here in this dynamic space, we've got high-performance PCs and PS5s loaded with all the bangers: Valorant, LOL, Dota 2, CSGO, Mobile Legends, PUBG, FIFA. Whatever your vibe is, solo rank or squad battles, we've got you covered. But hey, this place isn't just screens and clicks. Between rounds, you can cool off with dots, shoot some bullets, or even flex on the golf simulator. Total reset. Best part, it is super affordable. 5 ringgit Malaysia per hour for PC, 10 ringgit Malaysia for PS5. Whether you're here to green, chill, or escape exam stress, your wallet is not going to cry.
And this place isn't just about gameplay, it's about growth. We host weekly trainings and workshops where real opportunities were given to build skills, connection, and even can get into the esports scene professionally.
If you ever thought gaming was a hobby, think it again. In UKM, we are creating careers and having fun doing it.
So yeah, whether you're a casual player, future pro, or here just for the vibes, UKM Esports Arena is your place. Come true, game smart, and perhaps I'll see you in the next match.